lovelies! I'm super excited that you guys decided to drop in to see another makeup tutorial inspired by more Disney ears. Today's look is inspired by the Millennial Pink ears. Of course I have these, and these are another one of my top worn pairs of ears anytime I go to the park. So I already have my face done. I'm going to finish off with my eyes, cheeks, and lips. And don't forget, I have the whole complete outfit as well, how I would style and do my face when I go to the park. You guys enjoyed my Disney's Millennial Pink inspired look. This is honestly like me in a nutshell. All of this pink all the time. It's a very girly and like subtle little pink look. Great for your everyday. Even if you're not wearing Millennial Pink, you can definitely wear this eyeshadow for a variety of different looks because it's just really subtle. And I feel like with blue eyes, I feel like pink eyeshadows really help make them pop. If you saw my most recent MAC shopping haul, then you'll see that I had a couple of those new products in this inspired look. I will have all of the products linked below. Also, if you liked some of my clothing items, you can find those linked down below as well. If you enjoyed this Millennial Pink inspired look, I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more fun Disney inspired looks by me and also more style, beauty, and fitness, make sure that you hit the bell below because that'll notify you every single time I upload a video. And until next time, stay sweet sunshines.